Hi beautiful people, this is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. This is a reading, a 1 month reading for the sign of Libra, for Libra zodiac. The reason I came up with this idea because it's my son's birthday and I was about to do a reading for him. He's a Libra, so the thought struck me, why should I not do a generalized reading for all Librans who are my followers on various social media accounts. And to be honest, I gel very good with Libra people. The most important and close people in my life are Librans. Maybe they be my both kids, my colleagues, my friends, and I have a very good connect and deep bond with Librans, and with some I have a cat and mouse relationship. We can't stay together, but we can't even stay apart. So this is my say a birthday gift to all the Librans out there, and it's a generalized guidance for all the Libra signs, and for whom it is, they know. So here goes your reading. I have already taken out the cards and taken out the cards to make the video shorter. So this is the overall energy for the month for Librans. It's Nine of Coins. Basically, you are growing in your life. You are at a stage where you have achieved what you desire, basically financially, and you are well established at this point of time, and you are about to achieve whatever you desire. If you have invested somewhere, you will get good results from there. So this will be the overall energy of you for you this month. And this is the card for personal life. As far as your personal life is concerned, it can be it's a personal life with it is about your relationship with your close person. It can also be a relationship with a person, particular person at this point of time. If you're married or you're a couple, or even if you're single, I think so there is a lot of stress and anxiety for you in your relationship at this point of time, which is troubling you and making you negative in this month. So just try to deal with your situations in your life, in your personal life, and don't get so stressed about it. The best way to solve any issue in your life is just to try to talk with the people who have you have issues. Just try to explain them what you will accept in a relationship and what you won't accept in a relationship, and also please just try to listen what the other person want to say. See, because just try to understand. Misunderstanding doesn't happen because of only one person. Each one has their share of reasons or reason why the relationship gets bitter. So the best way is to communicate, and until and unless you will communicate and clear the air between both of you, or with whoever you have issues at this point of time, things won't resolve. So the best way is to call, speak out to the person instead of keeping things to yourself. And whereas your career is concerned, in career also, I think so at this point of time you are struggling, you are very confused with which way to take, what move, next move you need to take in your life relating to your career. And to be honest, these are all your own negative thoughts that is actually bothering you. Things are not that bad or as you think. And being the Librans are the sign who are very balanced, okay, and they are the people who will lead the mass, or they are the people who people actually like. But one negative thing about them is they are very diplomatic. So it's okay, every sign has their good and bad, but this is a sign which is the most harmonious sign, and will always try to create balance between their personal professional life. And even the card, the tarot card is about the tarot cards which deal, or which is for Libran side is justice, and justice is all about creating a balance and just in their life and situations. And as far as your finances are concerned, I think so finances should be good, and there will be opportunities coming your way, and you will be able to start something new, or if you have invested there in somewhere, maybe in shares or in stock market, maybe in bitcoins or any sort of investment you might have done, you will get good results in the coming month. Or there may be opportunities that you can invest good amount of money in places where you may get good returns in the future. So let me wind up the reading with a message from angels for you. Let's see what the angel has said to you. The angels are saying, you are flying high right now, which may threaten others, but don't descend, because others will soon become inspired by your example. So the angels are over here saying that you are flying high, you are growing in your career, you might be growing personally, you might have reached a point in your life where you might be having many followers or people may be liking you, you might be leading the mass, and but at some because of that, at some point of time you might be feeling that you should hide your growth, or you should not talk about what you have achieved in your life, as people will be jealous about you, and you will attract a lot of evil eye. But the angels are telling you don't need to be threatened or scared by others, because after some time the people who feel the way they are feeling, they themselves will be inspired by you, and will take you as an example and try to move ahead in your life. So thank you so much. This was a generalized prediction for the sign of Libra, and it was for people who are very close to me. Maybe they are my friends or colleagues. So when I was taking out the street, they were all back of my mind. So this reading is definitely for you. But still, if you want any personal, these are generalized guidance, but if you still want any personalized space session, you can definitely contact me through my number 983-777-0092. And I take out a yearly read with 37 cards, of which one card will be the overall energies of the month, of the year, and then I'll be taking out reading for every month, again in 3 areas: your personal life, your career, and your finances. This is the way I do the reading, and it's an on-call reading. The charges are $50 or 3,000 rupees for the reading. So if you want, you can connect to me personally or DM me through my various social media accounts. Thank you so much, and wish all the Librans a very happy birthday and a prosperous year ahead. Thank you.